Hey guys, today we're going to continue on with how we use our canned food or our jarred food. Today it's fingerling potatoes. We have some roast left from a couple of days ago. I'm going to heat up some roast and Danny's going to have the fingerling potatoes. I'm going to fix them kind of like French fries because we talked about this. I'm going to show you the process. These fingerling potatoes were put up in 2015. At that time, Danny and I were waxing the tops because Ball said to, in our climate, our humidity and stuff, the climate that we have here. But even 2015, this is the beginning of 2019, this is January. You can see here, and there was nothing stacked on top. It is trying to start rusting through even with wax on it. And if you look at the edges, little nicks and stuff, it's like they want to start rusting. And that's not good even with wax on it. But it's been a little over 3 years since these were done. We're going to open them up. You can tell they look good in here. And the fingerlings are the little potatoes that have a buttery taste. We're going to drain them. And we're going to use about a tablespoon of our lard that I've melted and put on them. And we're going to put them in this pan and just sprinkle some salt on them and bake them at 400 for about 20 minutes, just turning them every 4 to 5 minutes. Yes, this sealed really well. All right, the seal looks good, nothing wrong. When you open a jar, always look at it, make sure there's nothing growing, and smell of it. These smell like potatoes, so they're fine. We're just going to take them over and drain the water out. Add them whole. And I already have some of our lard that's been melted. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to take a spoon and stir them around. And we're going to salt them. All right, those potatoes are coated in the lard, and they have salt on them. Guys, these potatoes are done. You could eat them just as they are, but we're going to crisp them up a little bit in an oven to make kind of like a French fry. So today will be clean out the fridge day. I had a little bit of chicken salad and a little bit of coleslaw. I'm going to finish that off. Danny's going to have a pecan pie that Amanda from Freedom Acres sent. As soon as the potatoes get nearly done, the last 2 to 3 minutes while the oven's hot, I'm going to stick this roast in there and let it be getting warm. We eat a lot of English peas, carrots, and green beans. And the way I save these is when I open a jar, I have a lid, either a plastic or a metal lid that are like this, these solid lids. And I open the jar. I take out with these slotted spoons what I think we need for the meal, and the rest I put this on and I put it in the fridge, and it stays there till tomorrow. And 1 jar of English peas is at least 2 meals, if not 3. It's according to if Danny's just eating or I am. And today I'm just going to put enough in here for Danny, so that's about 2 good big tablespoons of English peas. And again, while I'm heating the roast, the last 2 or 3 minutes, I'll heat the English peas in the oven. We do not use a microwave here. Okay, these have been cooking for a few minutes, like 5 minutes. You can hear them sizzling. And we're using the toaster oven instead of the big oven today. I do that when it's just a quick fix and I'm not having to cook a whole lot of stuff. The meat and the English peas so they can start getting hot. And you can see the potatoes start shriveling some. It's like they mini cooked in a little bit of oil instead of a lot. So we're going to turn this back on for a couple of minutes. This is a fast, easy way to make potatoes in the oven. Like I said, we're already done, but we're making French fries. You can season with your own herbs, whatever. They're like French fries, close as you get with a jarred potato. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.